Hi friends, welcome to Radhika's kitchen. Today I'm going to make everybody's favorite dish, chicken biryani. This is my mom's recipe. When I used to take it to school, all my friends used to love this recipe. Please try it and you will love it too. This recipe is very easy. I'll explain it step by step. Before seeing the recipe, for more such recipes, don't forget to press the red subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. To fry the chicken, we need chicken 1 kg, cleaned and cut into big pieces. Chilli powder half teaspoon, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, oil 3 tablespoon, coriander powder half teaspoon, vinegar 1 tablespoon, salt to taste. First we are going to marinate the chicken. For marinating chicken we need 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon chilli powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar and salt to taste. Mix it well and let it marinate for 15 minutes. Now take a pan and pour 3 tablespoons of oil in it. Add the chicken and fry the chicken till it becomes light brown. Occasionally turn the chicken so the chicken will become brown evenly. Now chicken has become light brown in color. Let's move it to a plate and keep it aside. For making the masala, we need onion 3 thinly sliced. To grind in a mixie, we need 1 onion thinly sliced, 10 cloves of garlic, ginger 2-inch piece and 5 to 6 green chillies. Chilli powder half teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, tomato 1 cut into small cubes, ghee 2 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, thick curd 3/4 cup, and mint leaf and coriander leaf a handful, coarsely grinded. First, in a mixie, coarsely grind 1 onion, 10 cloves of garlic, ginger, a 2-inch piece, and 5 to 6 green chillies. The same oil that we fried the chicken, add the onion and fry it till it turns golden brown. Once the onion has turned golden brown, add the paste that we grinded. Saute it till the raw smell goes away. Once raw smell goes away and a nice smell comes from the masalas, add turmeric powder, half spoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and saute it in a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 chopped tomato and let the tomato turn soft. Once tomato turns soft, add coriander leaves and mint leaf paste and saute it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add 3/4 cup of thick curd and salt to taste. Then we can add the fried chicken and cook till the oil floats on the top. After some time we can see that the oil has started floating on the top. At this time, off the stove. If you want, you can squeeze half lemon for more sourness. Next we are going to make rice. For making rice we need whole masala, cinnamon 1 inch, cloves 3 to 4, cardamom 3 to 4, star anise a small piece, nutmeg a small piece, fennel seeds half teaspoon. Then we need onion 1 thinly sliced, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, basmati rice 3 cups, ghee 2 teaspoon and salt to taste. In a cooker, add ghee and add the whole garam masala. Once a nice smell comes from the garam masala, add thinly sliced onion and saute it for few minutes. Note that it should not change the color. After few minutes, add washed and drained rice and fry it for few minutes. Now add water. For 1 cup of rice, add 1/4 cup of water. I have added 3 cups of rice, so you have to add 3 and 3/4 cup of water. Now add ginger garlic paste and add salt to taste. To check whether the salt is enough for the rice, just taste the water and see. The water should be salty. Now close the pressure cooker and wait for 1 whistle. After 1 whistle, open the pressure cooker and check the rice. The rice has come out very nice and fluffy. For fried onions, we need oil 5 tablespoons, 3 to 4 thinly sliced onion, and for garnish, we need coriander leaves a handful and mint leaves a handful. To make fried onions, in a pan add 5 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the thinly sliced onion and fry it in high heat for 1 minute. And after that, in medium heat till it turns golden brown. Now move the onions to a plate with tissue paper. After some time, it will become crispy. To assemble the biryani, divide rice in 3 parts. Now add the chicken, gravy, mint, coriander leaves, and fried onions in each layer. Now add the next part of the rice and add the chicken gravy, mint leaf and the coriander leaves and fried onions. Now last layer of rice and add the mint, coriander and fried onions and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now close the pressure cooker and steam cook it for 10 minutes without a whistle in a very low flame. After 10 minutes, the biryani is ready. Friends, please try this recipe. It's very tasty and easy. If you like the recipe, please like and share the video. For more such recipes, don't forget to press the red subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.